FlexiLoop makes commissioning your machine fast, simple, and efficient. Fast, because standardized cables with M12 plug connectors save you a huge amount of time when connecting the sensors and cabling between the nodes. Simple, because mounting the FlexiLoop nodes is child's play. Either simply engage the node in the C-fix bracket, or use a cable tie to fix the node in place in next to no time. Concealing the nodes in the cable channel makes mounting extremely easy. Last but not least, FlexiLoop is efficient because the diagnostic node allows you to check the wiring centrally before connecting the controller. Thanks to the LEDs, which visualize the status of the individual node in the sensor cascade, any errors that occur can be detected in good time and rectified immediately. When the machine is in operation, the diagnostic node works together with the FlexiSoft safety controller to form an ideal diagnostic tool. The master node offers the same functionality and also enables FlexiLoop to be used with the Flexi Classic safety controller. FlexiLoop. Improved diagnostics with faster commissioning.